tip the box over and pour it out. Take a seat back. Take it over and pour it out.
Well, okay, that happened. Let's just put the box out in the hall.
Yeah.
Because if you can save this bag, you're in the 10%. But we recommend just ripping it. That thing's caught.
Oh wow. I think
I'm gonna have to rip it.
Yep. Amazing.
This is a foot thick. Jeez, it's heavy. Is there a foot and a head? Oh no, it's getting air. Get it on there.
Which way is the?
I don't know.
Let's go this way. Oh, that's about right.
Okay, go.
Okay, you ready? Stop off. You should land these on the bottom. Then you keep Syrian Linux.
Good call.
I don't think so.
Really? Jeez, how did this?
It's. Let's get it more even on the bed.
Well, we have to put the mattress protector on it.
Okay, fine. Let's just try to be even. Whew. I'll throw this in the box.